So, the much anticipated Apple event finally took place in Cupertino, California. Apple boss Tim Cook announced the improvements to the current lineup of Apple offerings and introduced new products to the lineup.
Today, we're here to talk about 3 products that have become essential in our lives: iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. They're always with you, useful wherever and whenever you need them.
The $400 Series 8 Apple Watch brought in some new features, the highlights being Crash Detect, which sends an SOS when you're involved in a car crash, and cycle monitoring for the ladies.
This year, we're introducing a suite of advanced cycle tracking features, including valuable information about a critical aspect of women's health: ovulation. As always, we build our health features with 2 fundamental principles. First, they are developed using scientifically validated insights. And second, privacy is at the core, designed to keep your data secure and private.
The Apple Watch SE also received some minor boosts, but the highlight of the show is the Apple Watch Ultra, which is clearly targeted at the adventurous. The Apple Watch Ultra starts at $799.
This is Apple Watch Ultra, a completely new design, reimagined with extraordinary new capabilities that expand the ways you can use Apple Watch. Every detail has been engineered to create the most rugged and capable Apple Watch ever. It starts with a case made from aerospace-grade titanium that strikes the perfect balance of weight, durability, and corrosion resistance. The titanium case extends up to surround the flat sapphire front crystal, protecting it from edge impacts that can occur during extreme activities. And at the center of the 49mm case is our biggest, brightest display ever in Apple Watch, making it easier to read in the harshest sunlight.
The second generation AirPods Pro also received some upgrades under the hood with a new chip and 2x noise cancelling.
AirPods Pro is our brand new H2 chip, providing an incredible upgrade to performance from H1 with high bandwidth connectivity to unlock breakthrough audio experiences that only Apple Silicon can deliver.
The second generation AirPods Pro are going for $249. The big one for the night was obviously the introduction of the iPhone 14 Plus with its 6.7-inch display. Improvements were made to the cameras as well, but the 14 and 14 Plus are using last year's A15 Bionic chip.
Now, let's talk about performance. iPhone 13 Pro introduced an amazing chip, the A15 Bionic with a 5-core GPU. It's a powerhouse that unlocks extraordinary features and delivers great power efficiency, privacy, and security.
Whilst the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max are using this year's latest A16 Bionic chip. The iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max have finally gotten rid of the infamous notch. In its place, they've introduced the dynamic island. Not the most inspiring of names, but what it can do is awesome.
Our goal was to design a space that clearly and consistently surfaces alerts and background activity in a rich and delightful way. The result being an entirely new and intuitive way to interact with the iPhone, one that truly blurs the line between hardware and software. We're calling it the Dynamic Island. We've designed this new space to be highly adaptive, so it can fluidly expand into different shapes using uniquely crafted animations and transitions. So now, when you receive an alert, the Dynamic Island expands to notify you. Our ambition is to clearly convey the information and present content and controls without distracting from the app you're in.
The 6.1-inch iPhone 14 starts at $799 for the 128GB variant, which is the base storage, and the Plus starts at $899 for the same configuration. 512 gigs is the max storage for the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. The iPhone 14 Pro starts at $999 for the base variant, which is 128 gigs of storage. The 14 Pro Max starts at $1099. Storage can go up to a staggering 1 terabyte. And that variant will set you back $1,600 United States dollars. What do you guys think? Hit or miss for Apple? Leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.